Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you all for joining. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to link your local bank account to Payoneer and also withdraw money from Payoneer to your local bank account, right? So if you've not watched the video where I showed you guys how to create a Payoneer account, I'm going to be leaving the link in the description box so you can go and check it out. Payoneer is 100% lifesaver, guys. If you're someone who wants to work with companies in US, in Canada, in Australia, in Europe, in all these European countries, in UK, and you're coming from Africa, you don't have a foreign bank account, it's going to be difficult for you to receive your payment, all right? And you know that not all companies pay through PayPal. Some companies requires bank transfer, and that is where Payoneer comes in. The Payoneer generates foreign bank details for you that you can actually use to receive your payment in foreign currencies. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to do just that. All right. So if you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. My name is Chinemo Violet. On this channel, I share different ways on how to make money online. So if this is what interests you, if you're someone who is looking for a way to make money online, all right, I will encourage you to join the family by subscribing to this channel, hit that notification bell beside it, and give this video a massive thumbs up if you enjoy watching it. Now let me take you to my screen to show you how to link your local bank account to your Payoneer and also withdraw money from Payoneer to your local bank account. So guys, what you need to do right now is to go to payoneer.com, go to their website and key in your email or username and then your password. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and put in my email address. And then password, and then click on sign. So you can see it has taken us to, now we are into the account, okay? And what we need to do right now is to go to withdraw and transfer. Click on withdraw and transfer and click on withdraw to bank, right? And this page will come up where you'll be asked to key in your bank details, all right? So what you need to do is to select. So if you don't have, you can see here is showing, is already showing local bank details. So, but if you don't have a bank account, you need to do is to come here, because that is what we are trying to do right now, to link our bank account to our Payoneer account. So what you need to do now is to put in your account, type in your account, your local bank account details. Okay, so let's assume this place doesn't have, this space here doesn't have any bank account, okay, or bank details. So here and click on enter your bank, click on this space here, and they will ask you for your bank informations. Okay, the local bank informations, your bank name, your account number, all the informations about your bank, your account. So you just put them all in here, all right, and save it. Okay, save it. So now if you want to withdraw money from your Payoneer account to your directly to your bank account, what you need to do right now is to select. Okay, you can see what they say from you select which currency. Okay, select which currency. If you want to withdraw money from your US, you have money in your US account and you want to withdraw it from your US to your bank details, you select US. All right, so you select US to your local bank account. So you can see here, there's no money here, so there's nothing I can do. I can't withdraw any money. All right, but if there is money in your bank detail, what you need to do is just to click on the currency that you want to withdraw from. All right, now you already put in your account details. So what you need to do is to go down and you will see where they said description. You can put it down. This description is optional. All right, you can leave it, or if you want to, you can also put it there. So you click on review. When you click on review, it's going to take you to a page where you have to review your details, okay, before you can click on proceed. All right, you click on proceed to transfer, and they will transfer the money to your bank details. Now it doesn't get your bank account directly. Okay, it does not get to your bank account. The money does not get to your bank account directly. It takes some days, like 3 to 5 working days, to get to your bank account. All right, so you can withdraw your money from your Payoneer to your bank account. So that is actually how you link your local bank account to your Payoneer account, and also withdraw money from your Payoneer account directly to your local bank account.